In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a user not being able to see a Jira project. If someone says a project is missing in Jira, the issue is usually related to access, permissions, or project visibility settings. The good news is that this is often straightforward to resolve once you check each area carefully. Start by confirming the user actually has Jira access. Open Jira, go to Settings, then User Management, and search for the user. From there, make sure the account is active and that the person has product access enabled. If the account is inactive or Jira access has not been granted, the project will not appear no matter what other settings are in place. Next, verify the project permissions. Open the affected project, go into Project Settings, and select Permissions. Look for the Browse Projects permission, because this is one of the most important settings for visibility. If the user does not have this permission, they will not be able to see the project at all. After that, check whether the user belongs to the correct Jira group. Go back to Settings and User Management, open the user's profile, and add them to the required group if needed. Also make sure that the group itself actually has access to the project. Adding someone to a group only helps if that group has been granted the right permissions. You should also review the project's access settings. Open the project, Papagos, and go to Project Settings and then access if that option is available in your Jira setup. Confirm that the project is not limited to specific users or groups in a way that excludes this user. If necessary, add the user or adjust access so they can view the project. Then check project role assignments. In Project Settings, open People, click Add People, and assign the user to the correct role. Depending on the project, that might be something like Developer, Member, or Viewer. Roles often control what a person can see and do inside the project. Another area to review is Issue Security. In Project Settings, open Issue Security and review the security levels being used. Make sure the user is included in the allowed users or groups. Even if someone can access the project, Issue Security can still prevent them from seeing content inside it. Also confirm that the user has the correct Jira product, such as Jira Software or Jira Work Management. If the required product access is missing, grant it before testing again. Finally, ask the user to log out of Jira, clear their browser cache if needed, then log back in and check the project again. Sometimes access changes do not appear immediately until the session is refreshed. If you follow each of these checks carefully, you can usually identify exactly why the project is not visible and fix it quickly.